Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix Ghost Recon Wildlands not launching in 3 easy steps. So the first thing you do is go to your task manager and then look for Ghost Recon and then also Steam. Just go ahead and right click on it and then end tasks. And also if you still see Steam here on the bottom right, just go ahead and right click and then exit. Just to make sure, just go ahead and open up Task Manager again, and then end task if you see any other Steam or Ghost Recon Wildlands related. Another thing we could do is by going to your settings, just type in Windows Security and then press enter. In here, just go ahead and click on Virus and Threat Protection, and then click on Protection History. If you see your game or the Ghost Recon Wildlands here, just go ahead and click on the arrow down and then press Allow. Once done, you can go ahead and check if you are now able to run a game. If not, we can go ahead and do another step. We can go ahead and check here again and go to Virus and Threat Protection settings and then try turning off real-time protection or any other settings here that might affect the game. You can go ahead and just turn it back on once you figure out on what it might have caused. So if this video helped you out, thanks so much for watching the video. Bye for now.